everybody. Today I'm here to show you what I made for my budgies. So, I tried to make a playground for my budgies. Here you can see I made a swing for my budgies. They really enjoy this thing. And I made 2 ladder toys. And I really don't know the name of this toy. I actually saw this thing in the movie Blue, where the bird named Jewel used this type of stairs. I really don't know what should I call it. I gathered 2 branches from a field and some ice cream sticks. You can find it at any grocery shop or any craft shops near you. I used some jute sticks and a plastic unlock toy. You can easily find all those things I have used. I have made some pom-poms for my birds. I used one bill. There you can see in the green thing, in the green places, I poured some water and some seeds. I thought they might get hungry while playing. So you can easily make this too for your budgie. I started to make this using hot glue, and then it took a lot of time for me to make all these things. One of my sister really helped me while I was making this. And here you can see there is a feather of Mishka. I didn't pluck it out. I just got it and I just started to using this feather, and I really think that it just made it more natural. It's like it's a symbol that it's only for my birds. It's only for the birds' purposes, and they really like to spend time here. I'm not showing you my birds because they're resting, because they're really tired. They were playing on this all the time. And my birds really enjoy the time outside of their cage. They're almost every time they stay outside of the cage. Hope you can like it and hope you can make it. If you want, I can make a tutorial of this, how I made this. So you can also create this for your budgies or other small birds you have in your home. One thing I would like to say that Mishka really likes to play with the cards. Really likes to play with the cards. And if you don't know what is my handwriting, you can see my handwriting looks like this. I was in a hurry, but I can write better than this. The most favorite part of me, the most favorite part of this playground I love to see is when Mishka climbs the stairs. I really like it when they do so. And Milky is little scared of me because she is a new bird and she is getting used to this idea. But she likes it. I think she likes it. Hope you like it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you don't like it, I'm so sorry for that. Love you everybody.